Okay, so now let's learn what is the passive form of something to be called or named. So the infinitive will be Lehikare, for example, to say how the place is called, or what's the name of the place, or what's the name of the restaurant, how the restaurant is called. So in Hebrew we're using the passive form of the verb Likro, which is Lehikare, which is Henifal verb, but it all doesn't really matter because we simply need to know a very few expressions just to be able to express ourselves. What is the name of the place? What is the name of the restaurant? Or in Hebrew it will be something like how the restaurant is called or named, or how the place is called or named. So when something is masculine called, for example a park is a masculine noun. Therefore, we will use nikra. So for example, איך נקרא הפארק, or איך הפארק נקרא. How the park is called, is named. When something is feminine, a feminine noun is called, then we will use the conjugation nikret. Nikret. For example, misada, which is a restaurant in Hebrew, it is a feminine noun. Therefore, we will ask, what's the name of the restaurant? The direct translation will be how the restaurant is called. So it will be איך המסעדה נקראת, or איך נקראת המסעדה. When we're talking about a masculine plural noun, are called will be נקראים. So for example, we will make the word park plural, parkim, and we want to ask how the parks are called. What are the names of the parks? So we will ask איך הפארקים נקראים, or איך נקראים הפארקים. When we're talking about a feminine plural noun, then we will use the conjugation nikraot. Let's take the word misada, which is a restaurant, and it's a feminine noun, and make it plural. Misadot. So we want to ask what are the names of the restaurants, or how the restaurants are called, and we'll say איך המסעדות נקראות. So אוצר מילים, vocabulary. So let's enhance our vocabulary just a little bit more, just to get ready to the next exercise. A place, makom, makom. Places, mekomot, mekomot. A restaurant, misada, misada. Restaurants, misadot, misadot. Neighborhood, שכונה, שכונה. Neighborhoods, שכונות, שכונות. A movie, סרט, סרט. Movies, סרטים, סרטים. Series, סדרה, סדרה. Multiple series, סדרות, סדרות. So once again, you're going to see in front of you a sentence in English. Pause the video and translate it to Hebrew out loud. This is very important because this exercise is a speaking exercise for you to be able to understand the grammatical concept. And after you try to translate it out loud to Hebrew, play the video and see if you got it right. How the book is called. איך הספר נקרא. The book is called Little Red Riding Hood. הספר נקרא כיפה אדומה. How the place is called. איך המקום נקרא. The place is called גן העיר. המקום נקרא גן העיר. How the restaurant is called. So notice that now we placed an feminine singular icon above the noun restaurant, which means we're talking about a feminine noun. Therefore, the conjugation will change. איך המסעדה נקראת. The restaurant is called Loft. המסעדה נקראת Loft. How the neighborhood is called. איך השכונה נקראת. The neighborhood is called נאות שקמה. השכונה נקראת נאות שקמה. How are these places called? איך המקומות האלה נקראים? These places are called escape rooms. המקומות האלה נקראים חדרי בריחה. How are these films called? איך הסרטים האלה נקראים? These films are called comedy films. הסרטים האלה נקראים סרטי קומדיה. How are these series called? איך הסדרות האלה נקראות? These series are called Fauda and Tehran. הסדרות האלה נקראות פאודה וטהרן. How are these restaurants called? איך המסעדות האלה נקראות? These restaurants are called Loft and Meatball. המסעדות האלה נקראות לופט ומיטבול. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, click on the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And that's it for today. See you in the next part. Lehitraot.